It's been really cool to see schools using it. I've had hundreds of colleges, universities, they're using this yearly now in their curriculum. A lot of professors have told me they like about it is that they can teach mechanical design, assembly, additive manufacturing with 3D printing, some of the 3D printed parts that are for the robot, as well as electrical wiring, and then all the programming, all the software is all open source, so that gives them an opportunity. So it's kind of an all-in-one package. They can teach all these things with it.
Obviously, we could have just bought a 6-axis robotic arm, but we wanted a bit of a challenge. And also, $10,000 was way too much money for an average high schooler. Therefore, we had to find a more cost-effective option.
Once we got the parts printed, we used sandpaper and heating tools to fix the printing artifacts. Then we attached the base to the table and carefully installed components like the stepper motors, sprockets, belts, limit switches, and bearings according to the specifications.
We built the entire system into a small box, including things like power supplies, motor controllers, and on top of that, we also worked on transmitting the signal from control box to individual motors and limit switches through the terminal connector.